Hi everyone, welcome to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to recover Gmail account. So first you open your Gmail. Here you need to set up a Gmail account at first. For that you tap on the Google option on the top. Now here you type in the email address. Tap on next. In process to recover your account, you need to tap on forgot password over here. For the account recovery, you need to type in the last password you remember using this account. Then tap on next. For the recovery of your account, you need to provide an email address where Google will send you a verification code for the recovery. Type in the email address, tap on next. So here you cannot provide the email address that you are trying to recover. You need to provide a different one. I'll be providing another email address of mine. Then tap on next. Now they have sent a code to that email address. You need to go and type in that code over here. I'm gonna go check my mail again. There you can see the mail. Inside the mail there will be the code available for recovery of your another account. You just copy that code and paste it over here. Tap on next. Now you will get a link to reset your password after 120 hours only. Google needs to make sure that this account that you are trying to recover actually belongs to you. Whereas if you did not see the email after 120 hours, you can check your spam or the junk folder from any mail that you received from Google. So this is the half process for how you can recover the Google account. The other process will be after you receive that link from Google. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech tutorial. Thank you.